Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we will be working on our AI spawner script because right now we are adding the characters manually one by one. So we don't want that. We want to create a script in which all of these characters will be spawned automatically, okay? So first of all, let's set up all of the other characters in the same way as we set up our first one. So let me add the second one now. Let's change the size of this second one. Okay, let's make this 1.1 and then let's click on prefab, unpack completely, name this as 2. Then let's go ahead and add the third character, make it 1.2, click on prefab, unpack completely, rename this to 3. Then let's add the fourth character, make this 1.1. Oh, let's just make this 1.22 and then click on prefab, unpack completely, name this as 4. Then we have the fifth character, so this will be 1.28, 1.28 and 1.28. Actually make it 1.8. That's it. Now click on prefab, unpack completely and name this as 5. Then we have this other character, sixth one, so click on, actually first resize it to 1.1 and then click on prefab, unpack completely and name this as 6. Then we have the seventh character, so drag and drop it, change it to 1.2 and name this now as 7. Okay, so now we have these characters. Now what we're gonna do, we will click on our first character, copy the first script, select all of these character and then click on paste, component as new, then select the first one again, click on this copy component, copy the waypoint navigator script, select all of them and click on paste component as new. Then select the first one, copy the animator from there, select all of the character, click on paste component as new. Then the rigid body, paste it right here. Then the capsule collider, so copy it and paste it on all of them. Okay, so now as you can see, these will be the characters. Now for the first one, everything is set up. Now let's select the second one. Let's move the second one right here. Okay, for the animator, we will add this animator and right here we will change the controller. So if you open this up right here, okay, drag and drop this second controller in there and the avatar as well. So for the avatar, we can go inside the animation pack, and as you know that the animation of this second character are generic, so we don't need any avatar on this. Okay, so we can just delete it. Alright, let's open up its animations and drag and drop this second character. It's not playing that, neither this one, neither this one. Because it is the first character animation, select the second character animation and now as you can see, it is playing perfectly fine. Okay, so once you do that, then as you know that this character will be attached automatically, we just now need to change the waypoint. So for this character, the waypoint will be 20. So drag and drop 20 waypoint in there. Okay, now let's set up the third one. So let's move the third one back there. Okay, now drag and drop the animator in there. And for the avatar, let's check the third one. So the third one is also generic, so we don't have to add any avatar. Okay, remove that avatar. And that will be it for this one as well. If we check the animation, drag and drop the character, here it is. Okay, now let's check the fourth one. So we can move the fourth character back there. Move the fifth one to somewhere right there. And then we have the sixth one. So move sixth one right here. And the seventh one will be in that spot. Okay, so we did the third one. Now let's do the fourth one. So for the fourth one, the waypoint will be this waypoint 4. So drag and drop the waypoint, drag and drop the animator, and for the fourth one, let's check the animation. Okay, it is generic, so we're gonna remove the avatar. That's it. Now let's check the fifth one. Here it is. Move it to that waypoint. Okay. Now add this waypoint to the fifth one. Drag and drop the animator. Check the fifth one. It is also generic, so we're going to select the fifth one and remove the avatar. Now the sixth character, here it is. First of all, drag and drop the waypoint, so drag and drop that, then the animator, and then if you check the animation, they are generic, so remove the avatar from this one as well. Then the last, which is 7. So for the seventh character, the waypoint will be this one. Okay, which is 18. So drag and drop the 18 waypoint in there, drag and drop the animator, and for the animations, let's check it out. They are generic as well, so remove the avatar. That's it. Okay, and as you know that it takes a lot of time to set up all of these characters one by one and putting them in each of the waypoints. So that is the reason why we will be creating the AI spawner script in which we will spawn these characters in any random waypoint and then they will walk from there. Okay, so now everything is attached to all of the characters. Let's play the game and see how does they walk. As you can see, they are walking perfectly fine. This one is not playing the animations. Alright, let's check the other one. This one as well, not playing the animations. This character as well. Okay, so let's check that which characters are not playing the animations. So the first one is playing it, second one as well, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. They are not playing the animations. And the reason behind this is, if you notice, in the first one the controller is 1, and in the second one the controller is 2. But in the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, the controller is still 1. So we need to change the controller. So if you go inside the third character animations, drag and drop this controller right there. Then the fourth one, so drag and drop the fourth controller. Then the fifth, so select the fifth character, drag and drop that, select the sixth character and drag and drop that. Then the seventh, so drag and drop that in there. And also let's rename this to 6 and this one to 7. Now let's play the game again. check the scene view. Okay, as you can see, this one is working perfectly fine. This one as well. Check this one. Now as you can see, they are all working. For this one, make the speed 1.3 or 1.2. This one, it is perfectly fine. Let's check this one. This one will be 1.1. This will be 1.3. This one will be 1.1 as well. Okay, so 1.2, 1.1, 1.3, 1.1. So stop the game, select this one. This is 1.2. This one is 1.1. This one is 1.3, and the seventh one is 1.1. That's it. Now we are ready to create our AI spawn script. So before creating that, let's open up the AI characters first folder and drag and drop this first character so that it creates a prefab of it. Then open up the second folder and drag and drop the second character, then the third, then fourth, then the fifth one, then sixth and seventh. So make the prefab of all of these characters and then we can delete these characters. And now in the next video we're gonna add the AI spawner script.